Hello, my name is Subhash. I'm from Bahrain. Um, I was working with Shopify for quite some time and I just came to know about this application, Better Replay. And I was using some other apps, but I wasn't so happy. So I just installed and went through it, used it for a few times. And previously, I had some issues that I was running advertisements, but I don't get enough checkout. So when I was checking videos using this application, I came to know that there were some settings I have to change. So I did. I have to thank you guys that I came to know what was the real issue and I got it fixed. So now I'm getting more sales than what I got before. So I really want to thank you guys and I will continue to use this application. I think this is one of the best. Thank you. Thank you so much.